you got the middle panel on, you got a few more stringers on, have you?
All the stringers are in now.
Yeah.
Both sides.
Both sides. Yeah. And you put a jointing compound between each surface, do you?
Yeah, yeah.
What about the rivets? Do you put anything in there?
No, as you rivet up, that squeezes out of the joints.
Oh yeah.
And seals it. Yeah. The end sweeps come back in.
Can you show me it?
Yes.
What we've done to it, please. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's where they've cut it out.
Yeah. It needs some final fettling, I think.
Yeah. And they've had to build it up on this side there, do they?
Both sides.
Both sides.
Yeah.
Oh. So now it needs a few coats of lacquer.
Oh, it's all got a lot of fiddling about yet.
Yeah.
It's all got to be adjusted and set properly, and then once I'm happy with it, then it'll get lacquered.
Yeah. Is it last to go on? If, you know, with the skins and the rest of it?
Well, yeah, you put the end piece in because it all has to be screwed in position before you put the skins on.
Yeah.
Because it's screwed in, drilled and screwed from underneath.
Oh yeah.
And then there's 2 screws from there, and there's 2 screws in from there as well. So it holds it all in place.
Yeah.
And then the same as the fins, they're all, you get your pattern drilled.
Yeah.
And then these are countersunk.
Yeah.
And then it's all lacquered.
Yeah.
And the skins are drilled and then they're dimpled.
Yeah.
So there's a fair bit of work to do.
Yeah, there is, isn't there?
Yeah.
Just on that piece of...
just on that one
on
piece.
the sweep, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is.
I know it looks, doesn't look very much.
No. But there's no sign of the leading edge then or anything?
I don't know. No. I haven't not heard anything.
No.
So all the stringers are in the other side now.
Yeah, I see they've got them all in. Ew. Yeah, that's lined the ribs up a little bit better, save them going up and down, isn't it?
What, sorry?
The ribs, they used to go up and down this edge, but now they're straight.
Yeah, now they're all stable.
Yeah. Oh, it is a big construction job, isn't it?
Yes. There's a lot of rivets.
You know, when they're obviously going to replace the studs in the wings, which these fasten onto.
Yeah.
Are the studs not the other side of it, or are they?
Yeah. What it is I might have put them in his box.
So what I was thinking is, when you put the stud, take one stud out and put the other stud in. Is there much movement? You know.
Oh, there's a little bit of play in them.
Yeah. So will that affect your holes you've drilled on the?
No, that's what we're looking at, because the studs on the wing are slightly bent.
Yeah.
Through the age and it coming off and on and off and on. Yeah. They're slightly out of alignment, and all the holes in that are all drilled off square and bang on the size. And when we tried it up, you could see if you kind of tilted it one way, it fitted. If you tilted it the other way, the other row fitted. So the studs are distorted. Yeah. So what they're looking at doing is cutting some access panels, because you can't get to the other side of the studs. Where there's access panels on this one, there's the other side of it, there's no access panels.
Oh, isn't there?
So you've got to de-rivet the skin to get it off. Yeah. So obviously that's going to come when they do the overhaul the wings. Yeah. So they're looking at maybe cutting 3 access panels, the same as is in this.
Yeah, because I mean.
And change the studs, put them in so they're all loose. Yeah. And then make the 2 up when it's loose, and then tighten them all up. Yeah, that's a good idea. So to save kind of oversizing the hull, because the drawing says size to fit. Yeah. So basically it means if you don't line up, make the hole bigger. Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, when you've got that amount of studs,
and that amount of holes, you've only got to have one out.
Oh yeah, it's only
It
got to
won't
be a
fit.
couple of thou out.
Yeah,
Yeah, and plus the opposing cords on the wing are going to be changed because they're stressed lifed as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
So it's pointless opening the holes up on there, making baggy, and then
Yeah.
you're going to change the holes on there.
Yeah.
If you're going to open any holes up,
open
open
those
them up on the wing.
Yeah,
because they're going to be replaced.
yeah. Oh, good, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah, he hasn't got one. He did have some. His boxes like they're like
Well, they're stood without any...
yeah. What they are is a double.
thread belts are they...
Yeah, if you can imagine where you've got this, that's your stud portion with your thread on it, and then what there is a shoulder like that, and then there's another piece stud that comes out the other side
yeah,
with the thread on it, and these have got two flats on them, so you can put a spanner on them, stop them turning.
yeah,
And what it acts as is a distance piece between the wing
yeah.
and the wingtip itself.
Yeah,
So you're not, so the two sides are not actually done, because obviously you're going to get the flex, so it stops the chafe
Yeah,
on it. And each side, and then you've got, you know, kind of one rib here, and then you've got the wing rib there, and that's it. They sit between
yeah,
like that, and then you've got a nut on here and a nut on there.
yeah, you're really, yeah,
And that's all one piece.
yeah,
It's machined out of one piece of metal.
yeah, yeah. So, really you don't want to distort those holes at all, do you?
Well, no, because they're all good
Yeah.
holes.
So if there's any elongating of holes, it wants to be on the wing itself.
Yeah, to get it to fit until
Yeah.
they do the thing, and then they'll be matched up perfectly
Yeah.
when they do the wing
Yeah.
change.
Oh, good. Oh. Right, thanks, Kate.